This substantial property has been renovated and added to over time, making it a highly desirable home in a much sought after location. The problem is the roof, which has remained untouched and is now showing signs of decline. The stains, bleaching, loose tiles and leaks are becoming a problem that needs to be addressed urgently. The current roof is not only unsightly, it dates the home, reducing its market value. The replacement with a Nulok roof has completely changed the look of the home, making it a more contemporary residence. The clean lines of the ceramic tiles installed using the exclusive Nulok batten, channel and link system emphasises the new approach to tile installation, allowing additional modern features not possible with the old-fashioned methods of tile roofing to be added, making the roof the finishing touch to a truly contemporary home with strong street appeal. Note here the ugly capping used on the old roof. Then compare it to the Nulok integrated capping that is seamlessly joined to the ceramic roof tiles. The house owner decided that the addition of solar would be a wise investment for the future in terms of both ecological responsibility and the reduction of energy costs over time. 5 kilowatts of the patented Nulok solar inserts were included in the roof design. Unlike other solar options, they almost match the roof colour and fit snugly next to the tiles at the same level throughout. In fact, you would never guess they were there. A Nulok roof with solar inserts is both an investment in the future reduction of fossil fuel usage and increased value for a house that stands out from the crowd.